Hey friends, here please look into my stove. This is automatic Pigeon hub stove. Yesterday, while cooking, suddenly it got blasted because battery short circuit. See here what Pigeon standards are doing. While cooking, suddenly it got blasted and it got heavy fire. My wife got fully feared, so she don't know what's going on. You can see the brand name. The name is Pigeon. You can see here the name is Pigeon. This is what they're doing. This MRP almost 16,000, 16,000. We bought it. It got almost 1 feet fire, and you can see here. You can see here my chimney fully got fire. You can see here, and this is also not working. This is 1 month old chimney because in my house everything is new. The reason is recently I shifted to new house which I was constructed just 1 month back. I was shifted and I'm buying one by one new one. But see here what is going on. See here. How it got blasted automatically. Luckily, no ladies in my kitchen or no family members. And after some time, my wife called me. So I came to here and I have checked here. And suddenly, I saw 1 feet fire. You can see here almost 1 feet fire. It came up to here, up to very heavy fire is getting. So you can see here almost this much fire it came, and I don't know what to do. But I'm in my company. I am the one of the ARP member, so emergency rescue operation member. So that is the reason I know how to do it. And I have observed that thing. Gas cylinder almost got too much heat. If it is process going to be continue after 10 to 15 minutes, the cylinder may blast, and after that one total house may blast it. So entire my house is around 80 lakhs rupees. Recently I have constructed including land and everything. So if something happened for brand new house, but because of this Pigeon stove, see here what their standard they're maintaining, and you can check here in my Pigeon stove. Recently I have given review also how it is work and all those things, but I didn't say is the stove is good or bad. But I have just I opened the new box. After that one I packed it because of my construction got delay and I didn't use it. And 2 days back I have opened this stove, and within 2 days this problem happened. So please check here what's very bad condition, and you can see here. So this is called tempered glass which they are maintaining. And the tempered glass particles you see here full of kitchen, small pieces fully in house only. You can see here because of granite same color, not able to show you, but you can see here so many practicals. The problem is I have 9 months kid, so if suddenly anything happened to my wife or my kid or to me or my family members or surrounding people, whether Pigeon going to be responsible for this thing? Just tell me. I'm asking whether the standards they are maintaining. You can see here some oil is there. Oil bottle also got fully evaporated. Honey is there. So this is also fully got melted. So this is the problem happened. And the fire logic, you know the thing. Once fog is going to be start, almost within 10 to 15 minutes, whole house going to be. I mean, when smoke is formed on the top of the layer, house going to be blast within 15 minutes. So if this is the process they're doing, and my house going to be blast within 15 to 20 minutes, I know it because of I'm the one of the experienced ERT member in my company. So that is the reason I know the logic. So and because of I'm an experienced person, that is the reason I was stopped very wisely. If any heart attack person or if no unknown person is there means they don't know how to stop, and if they're going to be do some problem means a cylinder may got blast and they may die. So that is the reason scenario is going on. And simply we will say that one cylinder got blasted. But these companies, stupid companies, are doing this kind of manufacturing issues and all those things without testing and without doing proper, without sending the quality product. They're sending to us. See here, the brand is Pigeon. This is almost 16,000 rupees stove, which is high end in Pigeon. You can check here. Is a 4 burner, and you can see here what is the thing going on. While cooking, my wife just 2 minutes back, she went to bedroom to see my kid. He is a 9 months old. Whether he is sleeping or he woke up like that one, she want to be check bedroom. You can see that is the reason she was escaped almost. So if something happened to human life, whether Pigeon going to be responsible? And this hub, recently I bought it in Amazon. Just 1 month back, I have bought it in Amazon, and it is fully nameplate itself is displaying. I mean, timing only is displaying, but nothing is working here. Nothing is working, and fully got melted. Filters, dummies, and everything got melted. So you can see here. This is the thing is problem here they are creating to us. So really, I don't want to put any bad videos in my channel, but I don't have chance. And everyone, please don't use any automatic hop systems, and mainly Pigeon brand don't use. I'm requesting. So I'm telling very clearly, don't use any product of Pigeon because of. And mainly second thing is don't use any automatic system and all those things, because of it got short circuit suddenly and it got blasted. You can check here. See here. The condition, what is the problem is going on happen, I will show you. You can see here the fire. See the edge of the thing, how it got fired. You can see here how it got fired. Check it here. So we can see bottom of the thing, what's happened. This is very high-end stove in Pigeon. The bottle fully melted. This is glass bottle. See how much fire it came. It got melted. आप ये वीडियो